want the children to do this year, the Queen Quake, one more again from this year's Gullah Geechee Nation. We're so glad they want the children to join me one more time. But you know, I want you to come to the Gullah Geechee Seafood Festival party in Telnahama. I want the children come join me, but now I'm just leave it from the sea. See you then. Peace and blessings.
Welcome back. Do you love great local seafood and Gullah-style cuisine? Well, you're in luck. The Gullah Geechee Seafood Festival is coming up this weekend. Here to tell us all the tasty details, welcome Queen Quet. Thank you.
How honored to do it?
Yes, I'm doing well.
I'm glad to hear that.
Now, I'm going to tell you, I can't really hang with the Gullah language, but this is very unique because this is the first annual.
Yes.
That we're having the festival, and this is some tasty stuff we're talking about because local seafood done in Gullah style. Tell us about this.
Well, a lot of folks, when they come to the area, they know there's water all around, and we love to harvest from it. So we're going to have shrimps, crab, oyster, mullet, and we're going to have a good old whiting. And so they're going to be cooked a variety of ways, and most of the folks are coming for the shrimp and grits, which is one of our favorites. So we can have that for breakfast, lunch, or dinner as Gullah Geechee families. But folks who want it better get there early because it looks like everybody that come for now putting that shrimp and grits and they see it what it's like.
Snap it up, you know.
Yes.
But in addition to the food, because this event is free, it's $10 for a plate of this great seafood that we're talking about. Free event, but there's more things going on than just the food. We have some demonstrations in castnet making demonstrations. Tell us about this and why this is so important in Gullah cuisine.
Absolutely, because most people, you get it when it's on the plate already.
Right.
But you don't realize that people have to actually take the time to sew these nets and to also hand make the boats that we go out in, which we call a bateau boat, which is a bateau. And so on Saturday, they'll actually see the nets being made. We're actually going to also have quilters there doing our traditional Gullah Geechee quilting as well. And there'll be an exhibition that I've curated on Gullah Geechee seafood traditions because it's all the way from the waterway to the plate.
Wow. Yeah, because we just saw some pictures of it being made. Now, this is a traditional, I guess, net, right?
Yes, and see what a lot of people are used to. They'll see that, the dip net, and then also this. And if you don't have a crab pot, or a crab trap, you might go out just for the day with one of these. Well, it takes the same similar techniques to make this part as it does to make this entire. This is a 5-footer here that I have, and this we catch mullet with. But we go out with crab for this, and then ones with smaller holes we use for shrimping. So you can catch shrimp in here too if you would get them big one for now, but then you can use this too and then get in there.
Sounds like a lot of labor to go in there. Labor of love to get all this great seafood on the plate. So if you definitely want to check this out, let me give you the specifics now. St. Helena Park on Ballpark Road in St. Helena Island, which you said is about an hour and 45 minutes.
It's an hour and 45 minutes from Charleston, roughly. Mount Pleasant, about 2 hours. Southwood on 17, Highway 21. You swing that left and keep on coming to St. Helena Island. You get to Ballpark Road and make a right.
And that was the website if you want to learn more about this. This sounds like a tasty travel down the road for some good food, so definitely check that out. Thank you so much for joining us with this.
Thank you, Evan. We're going to have food, music. It's going to be a down-home party, so you come on down so we put a little bit more pounds on you too, okay?
Oh, I need pounds. Okay. I'm going to send over to Laura and Dave to end the show.
Sounded so good.
I could use one of those cast nets.
I don't need any extra pounds, but I'll be there anyways. Thanks to all of our guests.
How you doing? You need pictures?
Yeah.
You'll deal with it. All right. Oh, I see you.
How you doing?
All right. How you doing, man?
I'm doing all right.
Glad you made it. And then once you pay here, you go down there and then you get your food. The whole menu is down there.
The children of Clemson.
Everybody, it's a plate for 10. Period. Doesn't matter who's eating it. It's 10 per plate. Yeah, and then once you get down there, you pick what it is you want.
Only one time.
Potato salad, okay.
Oh, sure, cornbread's no problem.
One now. Good evening, how y'all doing?
Oh, sure, cornbread's no problem.
One now.